Alright, so I've got a quick update for you all. It's nothing like the previous couple of videos where I was diagnosing and troubleshooting and replacing capacitors. So anyway, I did replace a few more capacitors off camera, and yeah, that actually got rid of the short. The only problem now, though, is that the disks aren't spinning up. There's no mechanical activity whatsoever. The only sign of life that this drive has is the activity LED, which should start blinking in a moment now that I have the power turned on. There it is. Yeah, so the activity light starts blinking, so the logic board is clearly trying to get the disk working. I've already tried connecting it to the IDE interface on a motherboard that I had sitting around, and yeah, that was just in case if it was one of those hard drives where the disk will only spin up when it starts seeing some activity on the IDE interface, but it didn't spin up. So I have a feeling that mechanically this drive could be dead. I'm not sure. I don't have anything else that I can compare it against, but yeah, for now the logic board seems to be working all right. I replaced capacitors here, and two more on the back, all of which, except for I think that one from the previous video, were either shorted or completely out of spec. Like the 4.7 microfarad ones were reading completely different values, and one of them was just straight up shorted as well. So yeah, I think if I revisit this drive again in the future, it might be just an autopsy sort of video. Just take off this upper lid, see what could be the problem. Because I know that when I originally took the logic board off to, do some desoldering and stuff, there was some weird, like, black gunk around the spindle motor here. So I think either the lubricant has gone bad or something might have disintegrated inside the motor. I don't know for sure, but yeah, unfortunately, I think this drive is dead. But yeah, I guess thanks for watching, and if you like this sort of content, feel free to, I don't know, like, subscribe. I don't know. This is an awkward thing. I don't think I'll ever really get used to saying like and subscribe. But yeah, until next time, I'm out. See ya.